Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12 by 24 inch canvas. And about an hour ago I put a thin layer of black paint around the bottom edges and on the bottom because I saw a sky that I loved. It was probably enhanced by some camera work or something, but it was orange at the horizon and bright brilliant pink, just like Hot Orchid or Pink Diamond or a combination of those, and I wanted to do it. So I've got a mix of Chantilly lace, I thought I did, and Tuscan sun from a while ago, and I'm thinking that I'm just going to use it because I don't use it for much of anything else. I'm going to try and get it down to the horizon line, and then I'll try and get it up to the top. I just used the shape of my spatula, by the way, with the black paint, pressing it down above the, that does not belong, the canvas. I like the big yellow cloud. It looks cool even upside down to me. So I'm not sure. A lot of times I don't really get a mixture, but I get stripes. And I might like what I get no matter what, because there'll be colors I like, and they're Colour Arte colors. Prizm pours, to be exactly precise. But I'm going to, this is an experiment, as many are. I like the OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula because it'll carry a blade of paint. And also it makes it so smooth, the paint is so smooth you can see the flaws in it. Now I kind of wonder, and I don't know if I'm going to find out or not, because I can always fill in above the line. If I could just go right over it and scrape it back with a spatula, which is something that happens fairly frequently. Now I don't know that I want an awful lot of this yellow up here, because I want it to be pink, and it probably will turn orange if I do that. So I'm inclined to just throw a little bit of Chantilly lace right at the top. But I got to work fast because the thinner the paint is, the faster it's going to dry. I use a combination of either the Vivid Polypore or the Vivid Enamel with some GAC 800 for all my color mixtures. I see 1, 2, 3 little things I don't want in my sky. Black paint, flakes. Let's do the Chantilly lace. And then take my extra, whoops, I'll take that. Drips do not go to waste around here. I'm going to take the paint right off my spatula and cover this top edge. I might be sorry, but I'm pretty sure the pink will drown out anything. I'm trying to be quick. I used to like having Floetrol in my mixes for no other better reason than the fact that it's a paint leveler as well as a conditioner. I'm going to have to grab my tweezers. Let's see if I can remove a couple of these things that are Klingons. It's a good thing it's been wet out. So this is Orange Crush added to sour lemon. And I'm just going to follow along the horizon line and hope that this works. I might want to try a clean spatula. I need a certain amount of it to have moved up into the painting before I start messing around with the pink. And I'm thinking the pinks are going to be pink carnation and pink diamond and possibly some hot orchid. Okay, I'm getting ready. I hope. I'm just trying to get a thin enough layer so I'm not going to worry about it. Kind of want some darker orange in there, but I'm not sure how that's going to work. Put enough orange over there. I really want some dark orange in there. Sort of mixing right on the canvas. And my paint is beginning to get sticky up top, so I better move along or I'm going to be in big trouble. I am going to attempt to use some frosted berry to moisten my canvas and add the pink carnation to it. And where's my pink diamond? I'm going to wipe off my spatula so I don't have any extra yellow or orange on there. I may have to turn my canvas around. There's another one of those darn little paint tags. The question is, can I meld these in the middle? And that is the question for sure. Oh, please don't fall over. Nope. This is tricky. I have to do something left-handed and then try and find that thing I saw in there. This might be another one that you need to have a frame on. I really want some of that pink up along the edge of my canvas. don't think I mind having a little bit of that orange in. I'm not so sure about the frosted berry showing up through, but it looks like clouds too, so. Alright, it is what it is. And until I put some silhouettes of some trees or something along the horizon line, it's an arduous process that I hope is worthwhile. I'm going to throw a little bit more pink diamond in there. I'll probably look at it later and go, why did I do that? Or not. Well, in that case, I'm glad I did that because there's another little couple things in there. That'll teach me to get all the black paint off my hands. I'm not sure if it's my hands or the spatula, but either way, it's up to me to keep the paint off my painting by keeping my hands and my tools clean. I'm going to have to look at this the right way up. You've been having a better view of it so far. Do this side. No surprise for you. I'm not going to turn it around. I think I am going to put a line of pink diamond right along the top edge and use my finger. If anything goes over, that's all the better. Chances are good it will drip down. Oh, that's good. I had part of my canvas that wasn't covered. Good, I wanted to drip there. I'm putting it right on the blade of my spatula. I can't think of a better way to do it. I suspect I will be the one running to Domino's any time now. Alright, so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. And this is maybe a stage 1, and maybe it's simple and done. It wasn't simple, that's for sure. Take the rest of my paint off my spatula. And no dog hairs allowed. Alright, it's time to stop playing with the glop before I have a permanent accident that I don't want. When I say it is what it is, that's me trying to discourage me from doing anything else. If you would like to leave me a comment, boost my morale, I would love that. If you have questions, feel free to ask. You can find more of my videos by going to my channel, playlists, all playlists. I gotta stop doing this. Created playlists. Alright. Can I stop? That's the question. The last pass. Yeah, I know, you've heard that before. Well, the good news is tomorrow, if I wanted to put some clouds in the sky, if I had any indiscreet marks, I could do that. And right now I just want to push that paint up, but I don't think it matters anymore. Not sure what that is. Thought it was a dog hair for a minute. I'm going to have to torch really quickly. There are a couple bubbles here and there. Nothing major. Spatula usually takes care of that for the most part. Definitely still thinking it would be nice to have some trees. And hopefully I can get anything that's in here like this out before it leaves behind a mark. Look, there's an airplane in the sky. I think if I take the pointy end of Alright, that took way too long. That was not quick. I'm so sorry if I wasted your time. But I suspect one pink cloud. Just can't leave well enough alone, can you, woman? Alright, so we have clouds in the sky, and I want to just go back through and add a whole bunch of texture, but I'm pretty sure that that wouldn't be any better than this. It's happening right now. Yep, she muffed it. Too sticky. I'm going to blow on that. Make it into a cloud. It is what it is. I'll have to deal with it. I don't want to quit. I was kind of thinking a palette knife would leave less texture. Alright, a semi-perfect sky. What are you going to do? Put trees in tomorrow. That's what you're going to do. Okay, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out some of my 2400 videos. I'm afraid to touch my camera at this point for fear of dropping a little more paint chips. More little paint chips. But at least I don't have any bubbles. I will see you guys anon. Please give me a thumbs up and share my videos. Watch them longer if you get a chance. Check out my link tree for my Teespring, for spring clothing underneath the video. It's above the link tree. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork. On the link tree, you're going to find my Amazon link, the Gallerist link, pixels.com, Fine Art America, and a whole bunch of other stuff, including my website. So if you guys have questions, feel free to ask. I will see you guys anon. Make sure to check my Amazon link for my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. If you have questions I think I mentioned, please feel free to ask them. I will speak at you occasionally in the future. So I'll let you go now. Bye. Priscilla out.